Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I did this challenge for 3 days where I did not have any food. I just had healthy juices, smoothies and soups. So yeah, I will talk all about it in this video. So let's get started. Whatever I'm going to tell you in this video is just from my experience. I'm not a doctor or dietitian, so if you have some problems, then you must consult a doctor. I don't have any problems, so yes, that's why I did this. So why I took this challenge? First was because I wanted to give a break to my body so that it can reboot and start all over again. Second was I don't have control over my eating, so I wanted to get this self control in me. Third was I have never tried fasting or any kind of fasting or anything like that. So yes, I wanted to give this a try. Fourth is I wanted to challenge my potential and see if I could really complete this challenge. And fifth is I've been eating junk lately and I really needed to cleanse and detoxify my body. So that's why I'm doing this. My starting weight was 100.87. I had recorded this but it got deleted somehow and I was really sad about it. But yeah, anyhow, let's get started with day 1. Hi guys, so today is day 1 and I don't know how these 3 days are going to go because I've never done such kind of challenge or even fasted for a day. Anyways, so I'm starting this challenge with a cup of Karela shot. So I will be drinking this. This is my first early morning drink. So for a beautiful, healthy and glowing skin, let's have this.
Oh no!
We have to finish this, but it tastes yuck. Yuck! Water. That wasn't going down, only I was about to puke. Okay, I'll see you later. So guys, after kadi mehnat, finally my drink is ready. This is some beetroot something smoothie. So I'm just going to use the straw and drink it. If there are some big pieces in it like of the vegetables, and I will not have it. So yeah, let's taste. Yeah, it's tasty. This is the first time I'm trying something like of beetroot. I have never usually smoothies and all are not my thing because I love junk and stuff. But this was really yummy and I think this is going to fill my stomach for now. And one more thing, I will leave all the links to the videos like the ones that I have referred to make my juices or smoothies in the description. If you want to check them out, you can check it. See, I'll see you when I have the next drink. It's 6:30 now and I have made my liquid or drink or juice, whatever you call it. So I love the colors of this, liquids. Morning it was green, then red, and now orange. So let's taste it. It's nice. I put one mosambi, one orange, and 2 carrots. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy my liquid. See you. So talking about day 1, even before starting this challenge, I had eaten a lot of junk and stuff, but day 1 went so smoothly. I was so shocked, like I did not have any cravings, and I was also surprised that the smoothies and juices tasted so nice and so tasty, yummy, really yummy. So yeah, let's get on to day 2 now. Good morning guys, so today is day 2 and I'm so happy that I'm done with day 1 and I have only 2 more days to complete. So first I'll show you my weight. So yeah, it's the morning, so we are having a Karela shot. It really tastes horrible guys. Okay, I'll see you later. So guys, it's around 2:30 to 3 o'clock and I've made myself haldi milk, if you can see. I'm going to taste it. It's hot. I wanted something hot because I just felt a little bit of pain in my throat. I don't know why, but yeah. So I wanted something hot. So I made this. So yeah, I'll see you when I have something else, in the evening or something. So yeah, see you. It is almost 8:30 now, and the last thing that I'll be having is this. This is a tomato celery soup. So I'll taste it. Yummy, it is tasty. Talking about day 2, when I got up, and it was day 2, I remember I was dreaming about all the nice and junk and all the tasty food. And also when I scrolled on my Instagram, all the food bloggers, they had posted like yummy and tasty delicious pictures of food, like shawarma and stuff. And I was so tempted, looking at those pictures, but I quickly refreshed it because my stomach was literally saying, ये क्या कर रही है तू अपने साथ? Look at this, it is so tempting. But anyhow, I resisted it and I was like, no, you got this, you have to do this, you have to complete this challenge. So yes, I did not eat anything and I was craving for something hot. So I made haldi milk and soup on this day and I had it and it was really tasty. So yeah, now let's get on to day 3. Hi guys, good morning. So today is day 3 and I'm so happy and proud of myself that I am on day 3 and I've still not eaten anything. So yeah, first let's check the weight. I have been feeling really great and I think this process has really helped me detoxify my body and I don't feel any bloating anymore, and I will share my results, that is my final weight, tomorrow. So now yes, I'm going to have my Karela shot and I'll catch you back later. It's the afternoon now, it is almost 2:30 or something. So I have made my soup. Yesterday's soup was so tasty. So I thought I'll not make a smoothie or a juice, but I'll make a soup. So I've made a tomato spinach soup. So here it is. So let's taste. I think I've started to make the best soups ever, and yes, I'll catch you back later. It's 6 o'clock now and I had slept for a while. Now I was hungry, so I made this. So this is a banana, apple, pears and some dates. So I made a smoothie with it and I added coconut water. So yeah, let's taste. Wow. It's really yummy. I don't know if I'm going to have anything else after this, but if I have, then I'll catch you back. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow revealing my final weight. So yeah, see you. So by day 3, I was over juices and smoothies. So I just wanted soups and the soups were really tasty. That's why I wanted more and more soup. So now even, after this challenge, I'm going to have soups for my dinner because they are light and they are really tasty. So yes, and if you're doing this challenge between your family and they are having some good, cupcakes and sweets, and you're just having your juices and smoothies, then it is going to be so difficult because I have experienced it myself and it's really difficult. Also, I have started valuing all the normal food that I had usually, like the roti sabzi or the fish curry rice. I'm like, when will I get to eat it? So yes, this was day 3 and I'm so happy that I finally completed day 3. So I will reveal my weight now. Yes, this is my weight. It is day 4 and I have finally completed the challenge. Also, I broke my fast with an apple and a banana. And even if you are doing this fast, then you also have to break your fast with something light. And day by day you have to start getting back to your normal food, otherwise it will give a shock to your digestive system. So yes, bye guys. The changes that I have found after this challenge, first is I know that my body has cleansed because I have less bloating now. Second is when you eat less, your mind starts working better and efficiently and you have a lot more energy than usual. Third is I now feel I have a better self-control because you don't need all that stuffing of food, and with bare minimum your body can work perfectly. And fourth is it will help me in weight loss because now I have given my body a chance and a complete new start where I can go on a diet with a cleansed body. So yeah, these were the 4 changes. This was it for the video guys. Also, if you want me to do more such health and weight loss related challenges, then you must mention them in the comments. I'm surely going to read them and do it for you guys. Also, if you like this video, then give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to come up with more such challenges, so stay tuned and press the notification bell. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye guys. See ya.